best free AI image and video upscaler software. So if you want a best AI image and video upscaler software, then you can open up your browser at first. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can go with search and you can search for VideoProc AI. You can go with www.videoproc.ai, and here you can go with free download 64-bit, or you can go with buy full license. As you can see that you will have a lot of options. You can elevate your video quality with AI generative models. You'll have AI noise remover, you'll have image enhancer, restore and colorize, and frame interpolation. It can convert your videos more playable on any platforms and devices. It's fast. It will make your footage way better. VideoProc Converter AI is a comprehensive media processing software. It offers a suite of features including video conversion, compression, recording, downloading, editing, and repair. The key features of this are AI image and video enhancer, up to 10K resolution. It has noise reduction feature, sharpness, details, and improves overall clarity. It has frame interpolation. It converts low FPS videos to higher frame rates for smoother playback and slow motion effects. It has video stabilization, converter and compressor, screen recorder, and downloader. But it has a limited free trial, and this stands out as a robust and versatile media processing tool. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.